So for this next video, we're going to expand upon our buttons that we've created already, and we're going to show you how to turn them into elongated buttons that will clarify what you're actually doing here, what these buttons maybe go to. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to hit control, I'm going to click, I'm not going to right click, I'm going to hit control on my keyboard and I'm going to click each one of these, right? So I've got all these selected. I'm going to control copy. I'm going to open up PowerPoint. I'm going to paste them in PowerPoint. There they are. And you can right click these. The link's not working. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and separate these a little bit. Give me some space to work with. And I will walk us through one of these elongated buttons, right? So we're going to insert a new shape. Let me see here, which would be on step F. Yeah, okay, so step E, actually. So we're going to insert a shape. We're going to insert that same rounded rectangle, right? I'm going to right-click it, and I'm going to send it to the back. And I'm going to line this up pretty good here. Boom. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to double-click it, and I'm going to type in priority file. And you'll notice it goes behind the page, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the whole thing, and we're going to scoot it over. Boom, priority file. We use that. All right. Adjust. Let's see what else we got. We want to add a bevel to it. We can add a bevel to it. So right click it and format shape, just like we did the other one. Right click, format shape. And we're going to go to right here to the, what's this called? Effects. The effects. Okay. And there should be a 3D format option here, and that opens up the bevel options. So we have top bevel selected. Currently as default, we're going to hit that down caret right there, and we're going to select this first bevel here, round. Go ahead and select it, and we see this button starting to take shape now. It's got a little bit of a round bevel to it. And if you want to change the color, let's see here. We would go back to the paint bucket, and we would change the color to that. But now our priority file is white, right? So we got to highlight that again. And nope, we want the font color. We're going to change that to automatic. Now we got this priority file button. Now the color, this is actually a little bit more yellow than in the book, right? I could go to more colors and we could change it. This isn't how I do it in the book, but you know, for the sake of showing you other methods in the YouTube video, I'm going to go ahead and change that. And one of the things too I noticed is this isn't actually the one in the book, right? You would just grab that and move it over, right? So if you do make a mistake like that, you could just grab and drag it. It's not baked in yet, so we can just do that. Okay, so there's your priority file. Okay, and if we had a second one, or Control D, now we have our second file. Grab that one, Control D, right? Oh, it's in the front. What do? Right click it and send it to the back. And now we can change this one to secondary file or second file. And now we have a priority file and a second file. And there you go. Now what you would do is you would copy that bake method, right? Grab, drag, Control copy, right click, paste as picture. Let's do it the same thing for the second file. Control copy, right click, paste as picture. So there you have it. Now you got your second and your second file and your priority file and your second file. I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and put these back into the Excel sheet. We're going to click that one, Control, click the next one, Control copy, and we're going to go ahead and paste it. I'm going to Control Z that. Actually, I think I pasted it as a picture. Yeah, I did. All right. So I pasted it as a picture, so it came in as one picture. But and then I do a normal paste, and I have my two different files there. For priority file, second file. And then, of course, you can always resize this to fit the size you want it to be on your dashboard, however big you want your buttons to be. There you go.